make sure before we start this video to hit a subscribe, the bell button, and a big thumbs up. And definitely smash it.
Zoe,
What?
today we're at a beautiful waterfall, and before we went to this waterfall, we went to a beautiful rainforest. This is like the rainforest. We saw a waterfall like that one,
Yeah.
but that one is much higher. And we walked about from here. This is where we are right now, and then this is that's where we saw. Right here.
You walked that far? Wow, and what did you find?
We found this beautiful waterfall, but it's basically the same rainforest, but because they're attached
It's in
together.
Springbrook, yeah. They're
Yeah.
both Springbrook, yeah.
And so, as you saw in the last video, that was today, we did go a similar place to here, and
And how high up are we, girls? How high up have we come?
we've come up really high.
8 kilometers.
8 kilometres, is that how far up we are, is
And
it?
if you look down there, if you jump down there, you would not be able to survive that jump.
Correct.
You cannot try airplane down there, otherwise you'll get dumped.
Bye.
But then you go from here to here to here. Sorry, to here to here to here. And then we'll go bye.
Bye, guys. See you.